Hi, Jake with Dow Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be taking a look at our new hood mount brackets for the 2018 and up Jeep JL Wrangler. Now these bolt on in minutes using OEM grade hardware to factory mounting points on the Jeep's cowl. This kit was designed to work specifically with our 50-inch Stage Series light bar, which features TIR optics. Now you would think that having a large light bar on the hood would result in lots of glare and lost light, but thanks to the TIR optics, you're gonna harness all of the light and put it right down the road where you need it. Now beyond the usable light output, one of the other great features of our Stage Series light bars is the low profile design. These produce none of the wind noise that you might be used to from generic light bars, nor do they block visibility at all. These also allow you to retain the complete function of your factory wiper nozzles. Now again, the hardware that's included in this kit is automotive style and OEM grade. So with the brackets installed, your Jeep will still have a clean, factory-like look. Included in the full light bar kit is two harnesses. One is our OEM switch bank harness, which allows you to plug your 50-inch Stage Series light bar directly into the JL's auxiliary switch bank. If your Jeep was not equipped with that switch bank, you can use the heavy-duty relay harness to install a toggle switch right inside the cabin for easy on-off function. These brackets are also compatible with our cowl mounts, which is another option for adding auxiliary lighting, or you can use these as a standalone and mount them directly to your Jeep. These brackets were engineered and tested right here in St. Louis, Missouri, and are available right now on our website, so click the link below for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.